Hello, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me on this pixel art course. My name is Mark Val, and I'm a game artist. I've been doing pixel art for about 10 years now, and I've always found it to be extremely fun. In this course, I'll teach you the foundations to creating pixel art, and by the end of the course, you'll be able to create something that looks like a screenshot taken straight out of a video game. We'll start with the very basics, creating lines and simple shapes, and then we'll move on to something a little more complex like shading and colors. Afterwards, I'll teach you a little bit about texture and outlines and how you can use those to make your elements, your game elements, stand out. Once we have that in our grasp, we'll move on to creating tiles for our scene. We'll learn the basics of tiles and how they work. We'll then move on to creating a final tile, which we will change to create some variation, and we'll populate a screen with that, including a background as well. Then we'll create some decorative elements, such as a tree, in which you'll have the chance to actually try what you've learned in the past lessons. After that, we'll create one of the most fun things to create, which is a character. I'll show you the different changes you can make or the different choices you can make while creating a character. And once we have a character and a body, we'll then actually animate it. We'll animate an idle animation, a run animation, and a simple attack. Once we have all that, and as a bonus round, I've taken everything from Photoshop and move that into Unity, where we can actually build something that reacts as a game. I've actually put the character on the scene that we created, and we can move it around with the keyboard. So look forward for that, and now let's just go and have some fun making pixel art.